Here we are at Contra Costa Powersport, and today we have our 2004 Arctic Cat 500 automatic transmission. This is a 4x4 quad, four-wheel independent suspension. It's got the racks, it's got a tow hitch, runs beautifully. We just serviced it and put 4 brand new tires on this thing. It's going to give someone a lot of excellent use. Automatic transmission, reverse gear. Come on by and make your quad dreams come true for this only $34.99. Electric start. This thing is gorgeous. Great condition. Come on by and check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.